Hey guys, Drew here, doing a video for JD. We got filler number 4 for the custom Glock. Let's copy our list. We're live, 12:06. Ten entries, 2 dice, 4 more. 7's our number, first one, 12:07. Let's make sure I said live. Yep, I did. After 1, PC on top, PC on the bottom. 2, JA, PC. 3, FF, PC. 4, I'm guessing Fred Fisher, JB. 5, guessing Jeremy Arthur, Philip Shem, I'm guessing. And after 6, PC on top, JB on the bottom. Gone 6, gotta go 7. 10 entries. Good luck. 12:07. Last roll, here we go. JB, spot 3. Dice said 7, won 7 times, 10 entries. JB. Here's verification code, and we're done. 12:08, 12:08.